A jury has sided with two former Hamilton County deputies in a federal civil lawsuit that stems from a 2019 traffic stop. Daniel Wilkey and Bobby Brewer were both former Hamilton County Sheriff's deputies. The two pulled over James Mitchell and his girlfriend for a traffic stop back in 2019.
Mitchell claimed Wilkey performed an anal cavity search on him that violated his person. Dashcam video from the incident shows Wilkey performing the search and pulling out a plastic bag to set on the hood of his patrol car. Our Dallas Payton has been in federal court all week following this story.
And Dallas joins us with details on what happened today.
There was a unanimous jury verdict to clear Bobby Brewer of failure to intervene, excessive force, assault and battery, and negligence. Daniel Wilkey was cleared of failure to intervene, excessive force, and assault and battery as well.
I'm just thankful. God is good.
Those are the only words from former Hamilton County deputies Bobby Brewer and Daniel Wilkey after the jury cleared them of any wrongdoings after a 3-day federal trial. Brewer's attorney, Jerry Tidwell, tells us he's glad his client was cleared after 5 years of constant accusations. Tidwell says they have been successful in all cases.
Of the 9 cases, those of us at Tidwell & Associates took on that the county asked us to assist them with that involved accusations against either Daniel Wilkey or other deputies, we have now won all 9 of those cases. 3 were dismissed voluntarily by the plaintiffs. 3 were dismissed by the courts for discovery violations. The Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals dismissed 1, and we have now successfully tried 2 to juries with complete vindications.
Tidwell says this is the last you will see of Brewer, Wilkey, and any others as it relates to the matter in court.
This is the last case I have, and it's the last case against either the county or any Hamilton County Sheriff's deputies arising out of this group of cases that first arose in 2019.
Wilkey's attorney, Jim Exum, says his client can go back to living a normal life after everything that has transpired over the years.
Daniel Wilkey has been under constant barrage for the last 5 years with some baseless accusations, and I'm glad the jury found in his favor today. It was a tough case to put on, but after 5 long years, he can finally get his life back and proceed on with his wife and his kids and not have to worry about this anymore.
Exum says there's always doubts on which way the jury may lean towards, but is thankful it turned in their favor.
And we felt we had a really strong case, and we felt that we put on the best case possible. And you know, the jury examined the video, they looked at it, and I think really understood it.
For Local 3 News, I'm Dallas Payton.
The attorney representing Mitchell, Robin Flores, gave his statement on the case as well. He said, "All that we have to say at this point is why we are greatly disappointed. We have to respect the jury verdict. That's our system of justice, and the judge and the jury have spoken."
As for Sheriff Austin Garrett, he also spoke about the trial verdict. He said he thanks the jury for their hard work, along with other officials who've worked on Wilkey's case. The sheriff said the media offers opinions as opposed to facts, and that he's glad the jury focused on the facts.
The sheriff's office has been in the news because of this case and others over that span of 5 years, and we've stood by the attack on our policies and practices, and we still stand by our policies and practices. And I'm grateful as sheriff that we were all exonerated from that, as we said we would be from the beginning, because we believe in what we do.
The sheriff said his department will continue to serve the community and is glad to again have the public's trust. You can read more about Wilkey's case on our website.